use the ID that maybe shows there.
Sorry, can you repeat again?
I'm saying that instead of me sending the ID to you, I'll rather look for I'll get the avatar pictures. I'll go into Agent, get the avatar pictures and send to you. That would be better. I thought the IDs would be better, but maybe the IDs that I receive, maybe each time you run a session, if you run a session, they give you an ID based on you, and another person will give the person a different ID, maybe. But I will share the images with you so you can look for the exact avatars there and use.
Okay, you will share an image, then I will use this avatar. Okay, making the avatar with the image.
No, what I mean is the avatars already exist inside HeyGen.
Okay,
Now I'll just go into the.
I will just search the image.
You just search and use.
Okay, you can share. Can you share the image with?
Yeah, I'll share just after this call. Immediately after this call, I'll share.
Okay, and the system, the video is okay.
Yeah, for the video, there are two things that we need to work on: the avatar and the voice, the voice of the avatar.
Okay,
those are the two things.
Okay, and now
yeah, we need to
avatar and voice we have to change, but other things is okay.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, then killing when you try to make image and video in killing, yesterday it gives some issues, like it did not give us any image, just blank pages. But in
I don't understand. Explain again.
Yeah, when we try to generate image in killing Fall AI.
In Kling, okay, Kling AI, yeah.
It gives us just a black image, but when in previous, when we generate image, it shows the whole image, like students, classrooms, teachers. But from yesterday, it shows just a blank page. I think it problems from API. If I can check the API, then I can understand what's the problem.
But Kling, you guys have access to Kling AI now. Where you can even go in. You have access to the logins. I think I shared the logins with you guys all.
Okay.
That's Sohan. You have access to it now.
Okay.
That is all the accounts we are using. You guys have access to them. It's for you now to just decide and go in and see, like if there's a challenge here there, because we have Clean AI, we have Vidu. Have you tried using Vidu?
Yeah.
Because we have a subscription for Vidu, we have subscription for Clean, and you guys have access to all of those.
Okay.
Vidu AI and Clean.
So in workflow 4 we have no major issue, so just avatar and voice and killing image and video. I hope if we fix avatar and voice, one part will be completed and another part is killing image problem. If it will fix, then I think workflow 4 will be completed. Okay.
Okay, what about File AI? We gave you guys access to File. You requested for File AI that does video generation too, and image generation. It's like an ecosystem of all the LLMs. So I don't know. Have you tried using that?
No, I did not use it.
Oh, but you have access to it. I think I gave the API, and so we have File. We have File. We have File AI. We have. But you requested for File AI, right?
But fall AI in your account, it shows that credit zero, right?
No. Okay, see, I gave you File AI. I shared the API of File AI with that has $10 inside, not that account that you're using. So there is another account that has $10. That's the one I gave you the API.
You have used another email. I think that's why
Yeah,
I.
there's another email. We have another File AI account. It's a personal account. So
Yeah,
for us
yeah.
to do our testing and do our setup properly, so I just got the API and shared with you guys.
Okay.
Yeah, I shared it with Sohan. I don't know, but if there's anything you should have updated that. Maybe there's a challenge or this, then I'll know what to do. And I'm
Okay.
saying this because I have to do a presentation of everything we have done on Wednesday. On Wednesday, I have to do a presentation like, okay, you've been working with these guys, and you brought them in. You've been working with them now. Like, show us what they have done. So I have to do a presentation from workflow one, workflow two, workflow three, and then workflow four. So we need to make sure that tomorrow again we convene and really just smoothen any challenges that we have, so that on Wednesday I should my presentation can go well.
Okay.
What Michael might do, what they're thinking of doing is getting a high GPU system in Azure or AWS, and getting a virtual machine, then loading the LLMs there, um, and running it. So all these accounts that we're using for video and image generation are mostly for test. But subsequently, as we get done with this setup, with having with all the issues with the workflows, then we have to proceed with the now will continue. So please, I don't know if you say workflow 4 is okay. The only thing now is avatar is the avatar. I'll need you to by tomorrow. I need you to send me. I'll share the images after immediately after this call of Heygen, of the avatars in Heygen. So you can use it. You can now look for their corresponding images. Then I'll even look for the voices and share with you. So you can just find a way to use the voices that I sent to you, so that the test can be good. Then also you will exploit video AI, which you have access to the logins. You exploit. You have access to Clean. You can log into Clean and see what's wrong with their API documentation, or what needs to be modified that has not been modified.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
I mean, you guys have all of those.
yeah, you can send me yeah, avatar ID as you have the image of this avatar. So you have already the avatar ID.
I'll send you the images after this, so you can look for the IDs there that match your, or maybe the IDs that I got from here are based on the fact that maybe they provide IDs based on session or account I don't know, but I'll send you the picture so that you search for the avatars inside the system, and then use now, and then you use it your own way.
Okay.
Yeah.
But yesterday I have tried many times with your avatar ID. But at first I thought it was my problem. But when I tried, then I changed the avatar ID. Then the video have generated.
Well, you should just be talking. If you told me, I would have sent the avatar ID or the avatar image. Since if you told me, I would. Why am I even going far? Let me even send it right now as we're on this call. I shouldn't even. I should just send it right now.
And so Joseph, workflow 3 I did not understand clearly. Just to complete the workflow 3, need to use MCP server.
No, okay. What I was saying about workflow 3 is we had our requirements and what we needed workflow 3 to do for us. So and how it should work for us. So I shared the updates with the guys, and then they made the modifications, and they shared a video of the modifications that they have done. So right now, and how did I do that? I downloaded I exported the workflow and sent to them, workflow 3, and sent to them, so that they should before they should do all everything and test and send it back to me. So they will send it back to me, the workflow 3, for us now to use. Um, um, they've just made some slight modifications to it, as I said. I've not yet seen the modifications they've done, but they'll send it back. Then we will now be able to use it. Also, also, workflow. I told them that it because in their requirements, in their features, they say they can provide MCP servers. So I told them we need the MCP servers. So they should make that possible so that we can in future we can use. And how can we use it? I told them to set up an agent inside that can retrieve data from a Postgres database upon request and generate a PowerPoint or a slide and generate a presentation. So they are after they share what they will share with me by the end of today. Um, the next thing that I requested from them is that they should integrate add an MCP server inside their code base and then give access so that we in future we can use that to generate slides without necessarily passing through. That's for other people, not necessarily us, because whatever this system will be, this what we are doing now is for the back office guys to work with. But now for front end guys, since they already have it the MCP inside their code base, they should just give us that access, so we should be able to use the way we want. But so guys should be expecting two things from me. You should be expecting to receive um, the update their own version of workflow 3 with a slight modification that they have done, and then um, the and then um, the updated system, the instance, the Omni create instance that they have updated to do two things that will generates content and stays only in context with the content that the request that it comes from the API. It does not go out of the context. And then so we will now test the updated workflow and generate our PPT with our content dynamically and see how it functions. So once they give us that, then we know we have concluded with workflow 3, and then we can proceed now with this thing with other things. I don't know if you have understood me.
Yeah, if you tell me just bottom line of the workflow theory in 2 lines.
I downloaded it, sent to them, and they've done some modifications to it to suit
Okay, okay.
our.
They modification they did modification in our workflow 3. Okay.
No.
In Omnicare.
I
You
downloaded workflow 3, sent
yes,
the JSON file to them
yes,
that they should when they modify their API, they should test and make
yes.
sure it's functional. So they did
Okay,
some slight modification in workflow 3 and then modified the API equally.
okay,
So they will share the updated workflow 3 with us and then update the Omni Create equally with the updated API modification. And
okay,
also, because the Omni Create had two things modifying the API and setting up some parameters to for presentations to be generated only in context,
হ্যাঁ
to stay only in context.
Okay.
So they have done those two modifications. So they'll share the JSON file of the workflow tree, and then they'll update now
মিটিং
only create with the modifications that they have done. Then we test and confirm.
Okay.
সবুজের মিটিং
Let me clear what I understand. You share the workflow 3
হ্যাঁ
to them. Okay.
Yeah.
Then they test it.
I downloaded and sent the JSON to them.
Yeah.
3.5 লাখ
Then they test it and then they
ও
update their OmniCreate API according to our workflow 3.
মিটিং এর জন্য $কত
Yes.
And did they update our workflow?
Yeah, they did some slight updates
কাজই হচ্ছে না
in that PPT generation.
In our workflow.
Yeah, the node. They did a modification in the node.
ওর কথা আমি বুঝি না
Okay.
Yeah, for it they did some modification there,
হ্যাঁ
which when they will share the video and also
আচ্ছা গোসল দেন আমি
the
এই যে
JSON
ফোন
file.
দিয়ে
So
ট্রান্সলেটর লাগা রাখি ও
because I
কথা
requested that
বললে
I want to understand,
এটা
like as you
বাংলা
guys
ওঠে
said, you want to understand. So I requested that
লোগো
you
বানাইছি
shouldn't
মামা
just do
15-20টা
and give
দেখে
like that.
পছন্দ করে দিয়েন তো
We should understand what because there are many ways of doing it.
হ্যাঁ
There are many ways of getting the same result. So and maybe one
এখানে
route
দেখেন যাবি না নে আপনি
avoids
সামনে
a
সামনে
problem
দেখেন লাগবে
or solves a problem that we don't know. So they did their own trials and they made some
নিলেন
slight modification on
এমন
the
নিলেন না
PPT generation node.
Okay. Understand.
দিব না
Yeah.
আমি ইয়ে করে দেবো না আপনাকে লগইন করে দেবো
So I don't know any remarks. Let me share those avatars with you guys. I think that's. But please, can we set as target that by tomorrow, I have the obligation to share the workflow 3 updates with you and the avatar images, and then by tomorrow we should have some good test a test run of everything workflow 1, 2, 3, even if it's just loading a document from in workflow 1 and letting just that one document run through to the end, so that I can be able to do a presentation on Wednesday.
Okay. In workflow 3, you get any issue?
No, I'm saying that I will share. I have information to give you guys on workflow 3, right? The JSON file and the modified JSON file and the and notification that the OmniCreate instance has been updated as we want.
Okay. Share.
But what I want that we do tomorrow is that we should have we should do a test run from workflow 1 to workflow 4.
Okay.
And so because I have to do a presentation on Wednesday
Okay.
of everything that you guys have done.
Okay. Hope we can do everything from workflow 1 to workflow 4 by tomorrow.
Yeah. So that we load a document. We don't need to load a whole textbook. We just you can just make simulate a curriculum, a textbook that maybe has just 2 or 3 lessons or something like that. Very simple. Then we use that to run it from start to finish.
Okay.
So I don't know if there's any other thing to discuss.
Okay. Ashoj bhai?
রবি ভাই
জি।
আচ্ছা তাহলে আপনি হচ্ছে বুঝছেন তো উনি কি বলছে ওনার বুধবারে ইয়ে আছে
প্রেজেন্টেশন আছে মানে কালকের দিনের মধ্যে আমরা এগুলো কমপ্লিট করে দিতে হবে আর কি।
কালকের দিনের মধ্যে এটা কমপ্লিট করে দিতে হবে। কারণ কোনো জায়গায় কি প্রবলেম আর ওইটা কি অমনিক্রিয়েট দিয়ে হবে নাকি?
হ্যাঁ উনি অমনিক্রিয়েট আমাদের ওয়ার্কফ্লো 3 ওই অমনিক্রিয়েট যারা বানাইছে ওদের কাছে পাঠাইছে, পাঠানোর পর আমাদের ওয়ার্কফ্লো 3 অনুযায়ী সেটা আপডেট করছে অমনিক্রিয়েট, আর আমাদের ওয়ার্কফ্লো 3 ও কিছুটা আপডেট করছে নাকি, ওইটা সব কমপ্লিট করে দিছে।
এখন আপনি অমনিক্রিয়েট দিয়ে আজকে করলে কি রেজাল্ট পাবেন শুরু করলে?
হ্যাঁ পাবো তো, আমি উনি আমাকে অমনিক্রিয়েট আর জেসন ফাইল পাঠাবে, পাঠালে আমি ওইটা টেস্ট করব, টেস্ট করে ওনাকে সাথে সাথে আপডেট দেব।
আচ্ছা তাহলে থ্রি তো অমনি ক্রিয়েট হলে পরে হয়ে যাচ্ছে থ্রি। আচ্ছা, আর ফোর? ফোরে হেজেন?
ফোরে উনি অ্যাভাটার ইমেজ একটা পাঠাবে আর একটা ভয়েস আইডি পাঠাবে, ওইটা ইউজ করতে বলছে আর কি। আমি তো আমার মতো অ্যাভাটার আইডি আর ভয়েস আইডি দিছি, বলছে উনি ওই ইমেজ, উনি অ্যাভাটার আইডি ভয়েস আইডি দিবে, সেটার উপরে বানানো যাবে, ওইটাও
মানে
ক্লিয়ার।
আপনি ক্লিয়ার হয়েছেন যে উনি একটা অ্যাভাটার দিয়ে কি সবগুলো করবে, নাকি হচ্ছে একটার জন্য একটা
হ্যাঁ
ইমেজ
হ্যাঁ,
করবে?
একটা অ্যাভাটার দিয়ে উনি তো অনেক বেশি অ্যাভাটার হলে তো বলতো, আমার একটা ইমেজ বলছে ওটা দিয়ে করবো।
ছেলে ফিমেল, মেল ফিমেল অ্যাভাটার এগুলা?
নো নো,
ফিমেল
ওয়ান অ্যাভাটার।
ওয়ান অ্যাভাটার ফিমেল। আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে। তাহলে আপনার কি আর কি কোনো কিছু ফাইন্ডিং আছে?
না, ফান্ডিং নেই।
তাহলে আপনার কাজ করতে কি এখন আর কোনো ঝামেলা নাই, তাই তো?
এখন পর্যন্ত আর ঝামেলা, আমি কাজ করতে গিয়ে স্টার্ট করতে গিয়ে তখন দেখবো যে কোনো ঝামেলা পড়ছে কিনা, সেটা আমি ওনাকে ইনফর্ম করবো।
ওকে, গুড, ঠিক আছে। ওকে ওকে মিস্টার জোসেফ।
Yeah, so I'm trying to get into agent to give you guys send the automation. So immediately after this call, you receive them to send you the avatars, the avatar images for you guys to use.
ওকে, ফিমেল আর মেল?
Yeah. I'm sending four, so I'm sending four different avatars. So it will not be, it's not limited.
ওকে, নো প্রবলেম।
Oh, the other thing that I'm seeing that I have to do is to plug my card to plug a credit card to the Yakili Automate account because it's already full.
ওকে, আই উইল প্রসিড another option, another way.
Come again.
Okay. If is it possible, all resource hope if you can share tonight, I hope I can start my work from tonight.
Okay, you're saying that I should share the avatars this night and the JSON file this night, right?
Okay.
ওকে, নো প্রবলেম।
Yeah, I'm sharing the avatars now. I'm sharing the avatars now.
Okay.
The Hagen avatars, I'm sharing them now, right now.
Okay.
And
ওকে,
it will not just be the avatars, it will be avatar and the voice.
Okay.
ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড কালার
Yeah.
green screen or any graphics?
There.
No, green screen. It would be good we put it on green screen. It would be good we put it on green screen.
But it depends on avatar, what kind of avatar and what kind of image you send me. But I can.
The avatars that I'm sending has many views, many
Okay, just I
many
use
angles. So
background color green. Okay.
yes, green is okay. The green background color is very okay.
ওকে, নো প্রবলেম।
Um, it seems okay. I'm getting something here that is weird. Hey, the Heygen account that you guys are using um is not upgraded.
Yeah, yeah.
But we shared you logins. Oh, it's more than a month now.
এটা আমার টপ আপ করতে
It's
হবে।
more than 1 month now since we
এক
started.
এক মাসের বেশি হয়ে গেছে তো।
Anyways, okay, let's just keep talking. Let's just keep talking. So I'll give you guys an update and we proceed from there.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
ওকে, সো
Okay.
নাও বাই।
Good afternoon.
Pardon?
ওকে, সো নাও বাই।
Yeah, bye for now. Bye for now.
ইয়া ইয়া, ওকে।